Good morning, students. Today we will continue our chapter 5 in this class in our part 3. Today we will discuss about the different metals, this type of these all different metals, where it is found, in which country it is found. Today we will discuss about this. Now let's start. The first our mineral is iron ore. Iron ore, the most important metal in this modern industrial world is iron. Nowadays, iron is the most important metals for our industry. In fact, it is the basis of development. We can also say that it is the basis of development. It is the key of progress in the present mechanical civilization. Iron and steel made from iron ore and its alloys is used to make machines. मशीन के लिए भी उसका मशीन बनने के बाद भी उसका यूज़ होता है और मशीन को मेकअप करने के लिए भी आयरन का ही यूज़ किया जाता है. ओके, है ना. एज यू नो, द बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ आयरन आर इट्स स्ट्रेंथ, डक्टिलिटी एंड हार्डनेस. उसकी मेन स्ट्रेंथ क्या है कि डक्टिलिटी. डक्टिलिटी मीन्स उसको जब जैसे चाहे वैसे स्ट्रेचेबल, आप जैसे मोड़ सकते हो, है ना. उसको खींच के उसको एनी टाइप ऑफ शेप आप दे सकते हो, है ना. कोई भी शेप आप दे सकते हो. एंड उसकी हार्डनेस, इसकी जो हार्डनेस होती है वही उसकी स्ट्रेंथ है. दिस मेक्स आयरन द मोस्ट प्राइज्ड मेटल. और यही उसको एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट मेटल बनाता है. आयरन ऑकर्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ओर्स. There are 4 main types of iron ores: hematite, magnetite, siderite, and limonite. Hematite is the most important ore. It is the principal source of iron. Hematite is the principal source of iron and most important ore. In quality, magnetite is the best. It has the highest iron content. And in quality, magnetite is the best. And it is the highest iron content. The principal iron producing countries of the world are Russia, USA, Australia, Canada, Brazil, China, India, France, Sweden, and Venezuela. And from all this country, we have found iron. India has a fairly good quantity of iron ore reserves. They are of magnetite and hematite variety. India has a hematite and magnetite variety of the iron. In India, iron ore is found in 4 major belts. In India, there are 4 major belts where we have found the iron. Odisha and Jharkhand belt, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra belt, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Goa belt. These 4 belts we have found the iron ore in India. Odisha and Karnataka account for about 50% of the total production of iron ore. And Odisha and Karnataka, 50% of the production of the iron ore is found in this area. The Badampur mines of Odisha and Kodarma deposits of Karnataka are well known. A large quantity of India's iron ore is exported. यहाँ से large quantity में iron ore export किया जाता है. Now we'll come to the next minerals, manganese. Manganese is a ferroalloy. It is used for the manufacturing of steel. Steel बनाने के लिए इसका यूज किया जाता है. Most of it is used in iron and steel industry. It is also used in dye and paints, insecticides, bleaching powder, chemicals, and electric industries. Principal producer are Russia, South Africa, Brazil, Australia, and India. These countries are the principal producer of the manganese. In India, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Goa, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Gujarat, and Rajasthan produce manganese. Of the total production, about 33% comes from Odisha. The total production of the 33% production comes from Odisha of manganese of the total production of the India. Okay, now we'll come to copper. Copper is a good conductor of electricity. It is widely used in electrical industry. It has wide commercial use because of its strength, resistance to corrosion, and ease with which it can be alloyed with other metals. Rocks containing copper looks blue in color. Now our next mineral is tin. Tin is used to make canes, ropes, packing boxes, and as alloy. Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and Myanmar in Southeast Asia account for half of the world's production. वर्ल्ड के प्रोडक्शन के हाफ प्रोडक्शन मलेशिया, इंडोनेशिया, थाईलैंड एंड म्यांमार इन साउथ ईस्ट एशिया में ही प्रोडक्शन उसका किया जाता है. वहाँ पे ये मिनरल पाया जाता है. प्रिंसिपल प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ कॉपर आर चिली, यूएसए, रशिया, कनाडा एंड ज़ाम्बिया. इंडिया इज पुअर इन प्रोडक्शन ऑफ कॉपर. इन कॉपर में इंडिया का प्रोडक्शन बहुत ही पुअर है. About 52% of its production comes from बालाघाट माइंस ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश. इंडिया के प्रोडक्शन का 52% कहाँ से आता है? बालाघाट माइंस इन मध्य प्रदेश. एंड खेतरी ऑफ राजस्थान एंड झारखंड आर अदर कॉपर प्रोड्यूसिंग एरियाज. These are some rare production of some rare areas of production of copper in India. Now we'll come to the bauxite. Bauxite is the ore of aluminium. After iron, aluminium is the most widely used metal in the world today. It is light and has good conductivity. It is used for making aircrafts and for making the body of the other transport vehicles. It is used for construction, making household utensils and electrical appliances, and in mining coins. Australia, largest producer. Australia is the largest producer of bauxite. We have already studied about this. No? Suriname, Guyana, Jamaica, Guinea, Russia, and USA are leading producer of bauxite. In India, Odisha is the leading producer state with about 45% of the country's production. कंट्री का जितना भी प्रोडक्शन है बॉक्साइट का उसमें 45% सिर्फ कहाँ से आता है? उड़ीसा से आता है. गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, आंध्र प्रदेश, झारखंड एंड छत्तीसगढ़ आर अदर प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेट ऑफ द. Gold is valued in the world for its glitter and beauty. It is used for making jewelry. In the past, it was used as standard of exchange. प्राचीन समय में पास्ट में उसको एक्सचेंज के रूप में यूज किया जाता था. बट nowadays it is used for jewelry. It was used as a medium of foreign trade. In fact, search for this precious metal had led to exploration and colonization of some countries in the 19th century. South Africa is the largest producer of gold, followed by Canada, Japan, USA, Philippines, and Brazil. In India, there are 3 gold fields, namely Kolar and Mukti Goldfield in Karnataka and Ramgiri Goldfield in Andhra Pradesh. We have only 3 states: Karnataka, Kerala, and Andhra Pradesh for gold mines. Okay. Now we will come to mica. Mica is a non-conductor of heat and electricity, and it resists radioactivity. It is indispensable in electrical industry. It is used for making electrical items, motors, bulbs, high voltage apparatus, for experiments in laboratory and in production of automatic power. It is also used in making glass, lubricants and paints. India is the leading producer of mica. It accounts for about 60% of global mica trade. माइका के प्रोडक्शन का इंडिया लीड करता है. लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर है माइका का. 60% ऑफ ग्लोबल माइका ट्रेड, ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड लेवल के जितने भी ट्रेडिंग है उसका 60% सिर्फ इंडिया से होता है. गया, हजीराबाद एंड मोंगेर बेल्ट इन छोटा नागपुर प्लेटू इज द लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर. द स्टेट इंक्लूड झारखंड एंड बिहार, अजमेर इन राजस्थान एंड नेल्लोर इन आंध्र प्रदेश आर अदर इम्पोर्टेंट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ इंडिया. Producer of mica in India. USA is a major importer of India's mica. एंड यूएसए इज द मेजर इम्पोर्टेंट। इंडिया से ही वो मोस्ट ऑफ द माइका इंडिया से खरीदता है। ब्राजील, मदगास्कर एंड कनाडा आर द अदर प्रोड्यूसर। नाउ विल कम टू जिप्सम। जिप्सम इज यूज इन मैन्युफैक्चर इन सीमेंट। जिप्सम का यूज सीमेंट का बनाने में होता है। इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शनल वर्क्स। यूएसए इज द लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर एंड कंज्यूमर ऑफ जिप्सम। इन इंडिया 90% of its production comes from Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Jammu and Kashmir and Gujarat are other producers. 90% प्रोडक्शन कहाँ से आता है? राजस्थान से आता है। एंड तमिलनाडु, जम्मू कश्मीर एंड गुजरात आर ऑल्सो अदर प्रोड्यूसर्स। अदर important minerals widely produced in different regions of the world include tin, lead, zinc, nickel, salt, cobalt, asbestos, phosphates as well as silver, platinum and diamonds. They are used for different purpose in this modern industrial world. In fact, countries endowed with good quantities of varied minerals are the richest countries of the world. India, as you have seen, is endowed with different minerals, but most of the minerals in India are concentrated in peninsular India. India is very rich in minerals, but most of the minerals in India are concentrated in peninsular India, mainly in the Chota Nagpur Plateau area. Our country also owns large foreign exchange from the export of minerals. We are, however, deficient in some minerals like lead, zinc, and sulfur and tin. Faulty and backward implements and methods of mining are major obstacles in mining history of India. Now, today's our topic is over. We have seen about the different minerals, and we have discussed about different minerals and the use of minerals in different countries. So now our topic is over today. We will continue this chapter in the next class. Thank you.